We're DataRobot. We're an automated machine learning platform. So we enable organizations to go from historical data sets through to prediction. And the way we do that is we automate a lot of the processes that a data scientist would take to create predictive models. So we help you find the right model that's going to give the most accurate prediction. Then we help you train it with machine learning based on your historical data. And then we also help you to deploy that model into real time. And then beyond that, we help you retrain the model to make sure it continues being accurate and validate that model too. DataRobot was formed about 6 years ago, and the two co-founders were actually from data scientists themselves, and they were from the insurance industry. And they looked at what they were doing for the industry and thought there's a big gap here in the market. There are not enough data scientists out there, and how can we automate a lot of those processes so we can bring AI to the masses. Really, we talk more about democratizing data science, so we can bring data science techniques and practice to people who aren't data scientists currently. They are people who understand the data and business challenges within their organizations, which means that, for example, fintechs can really embed our, AI into their platforms themselves, and we enable them to do that with scalability, but also transparency into the models. We have a lot of documentation that helps them prove out how those models were used for particular purposes. Well, we would say that there isn't anybody else doing what we do. So there's plenty of organizations that have tools that help data scientists, but none of them have a full end-to-end automated platform. We still need the supervised learning, so it's not completely unsupervised. We do need somebody with an understanding of the data and the business challenges to be able to make the right decisions at the right moment in the product. But we take away a lot of, and we do a lot of the heavy lifting that data scientists spend, days, weeks, months on, and we can create things in what would have taken, weeks and months, and we can do that in hours and days instead. Well, we just, literally just a month or so ago, we just had a big round of funding, so we had $100 million. Funding, and so at the moment we're really in a very high growth period because there is so much opportunity in the market for us, and there is a huge opportunity, and the only thing holding us back is the size of the organisation. So we're really investing heavily in our people, expanding. So across Europe we have opened an office in Munich. We'll be heading out to Sweden soon. We have a big office in London that's been expanding, and obviously across the world too. So we have Australia and Singapore, and a big office in Japan, and obviously across the US as well.